Go.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys to fill up the cups. I'm not breaking this, man.
Yikes. How about we not grab all the cups at the same time? Maybe.
And in the background, my dad is grabbing the celery and a cutting board and a knife to cut it up.
So it says step 1 to fill.
Done 1 cup.
All right, you got 1.
I feel like this is speed water.
2. Doesn't need to be filled right to the tippity top, but you want it. There you go. All right, we have 4 cups with water, and now we need to cut up some celery.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
I do not want to cut my finger.
Water,
I will do that.
so that we can put.
No.
Get an adult to help you to cut up your celery stalks.
Thank you, Dad. I will put this here.
All right, so we filled the cups up with water. Now step 2, add different food coloring to each one. Dark colors work the best.
Dark colors, so.
We're gonna do one of each color just to see, but dark colors work the best.
So that's probably red, blue, and green. Why is this not opening? Okay, I got the red open. Whoa. Which cup should I put the red in?
Doesn't anyone you want to, you choose.
I will pick this one. How many drops?
How many drops do you want?
Okay.
But just make it the same in each cup. Whoa, drops, buddy, drops.
3.
So that's good. That's more than enough. That's more than 3. You were squirting it for a bit there. That was a stream of food coloring. I don't think the amount really matters as long as you have some in each cup. So you can vary the amount of food coloring that you want to put in.
And in real life, I do not like celery.
That is true.
That's enough. Guys, when I'm done with the food coloring, we are going to give you a close-up of what this looks like. The green kind of looks like pitch black. And the green is this one, if you guys are wondering, and this is the red. These 2 are the only colors that we've done so far.
We might have to label them. So we see that one's red. This one is what, sorry?
This is red.
Yeah.
This is green.
And the next one is going to be
Blue. I'm putting the blue in. Woo! Yeah, I just think that one's coming out. I'll go in.
Get a spoon.
Oh. Wow, I did not think that through. Got it.
Got it.
That's the weirdest moment of my entire life. Now the spoon is blue. Red. Nom nom nom.
Okay, remove the spoon.
Okay. Now the last color, viewers, is going to be yellow. And don't worry if you get messy, guys, because that's the point of it.
Yeah, it is. It's
And
okay,
since dark colors work the best, go yellow, go.
Go, yellow, go. All right.
Okay, now it is time to put our celery in. Dun, dun, dun. I do not. Okay, guys. For celery, going in yellow. Bloop. Second celery, going in blue. Bloop. Jeez, that one celery is just covered. I want I want to see what blue and green are just gonna do. A little bit of blue and a little bit of green.
You want to see what, sorry?
What a little bit of blue and a little bit of green.
With a little bit of, well, we're only doing 4 to start. Let's see what they do with some primary colors here.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't say to mix it.
Yeah.
You just put them in. Green and red.
I sort of want to do the food coloring on it.
No, food coloring is in them already. Okay, so it's not part of the experiment because you don't want to mess with the experiment because then it skews the results that you get. So, we have the celery in each cup now. What they want to do is you let the cups of celery and colored water sit for a few days, and you make some observations to see what happens over the course of a few days. So Eddie, what do you think is going to happen?
I think that the part that is in the food coloring is going to turn completely red, even if you keep it out for like 500 years.
You think so?
Yeah.
So you think some of these are going to change color?
Yeah.
I'm going to put a bigger piece in here in the blue one because the other one is so covered we wouldn't even see it otherwise. So it's good to have one that's big enough that you can see, right? So you think all of them are going to change color? So this one will be red, green, blue, and yellow by the end?
Yeah, this one's barely going to change though.
Oh, because celery is green. That makes sense.
It's only going to turn darker, that's all it's going to do. You could add in black and it would turn dark green.
And do you think that there'll be a difference between, say, the first day and day 3? Or do you think they'll be the same color all the time?
I have a feeling that tomorrow, like tomorrow night at like 7:30, that it's going to be sort of absorbed a little bit.
So because it's nighttime today, you think within a day it'll absorb? And what about the next day after that? Will it be darker, or do you think it'll be the same color?
I think that it is going to be, for the green, I think it's going to be a little bit darker.
You think so? Just the green one or for all of them?
I have a feeling for the green one because both double green and this is green by just a darker thing.
All right.
You can literally form celery with that.
I think that's a good guess as well. So we're going to check back in with these tomorrow, much like we did with our bread experiment, where you have to let it sit for a little while in order to see if there's any changes that happen. So we're going to let this sit for a day and then check it out again tomorrow. Right?
See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Okay, one full day later. There is a ton of difference. My mom cut off like the top and look at it. The green one just looks like kiwi. Isn't that cool?
Look at the blue one. Uh-oh, our robot vacuum has lost its mind. Hey, we're shooting a video here, buddy. Okay.
And look, everything just looks like kiwi. Except for this one. This one's doing its own thing. Look at blue. It's just doing its own thing.
Wow.
Like, look at the leaves are completely blue.
Whoa, what about yellow? Same kind of thing as red, right? Can you see it in the roots there? In like the middle?
Leave a like if you like experiments.
So this is after 1 day, because when scientists do work, what do? They make observations and they collect data. So we collected our data on his little observation sheet.
And this is what I wrote.
And it's for day 1. What did you write?
I wrote on my page, as you can see,
Okay.
switch of color.
Yes, because they're changing colors from green
Yes.
to whatever color was in there.
And now, look at the switch of color.
Yes. So this is day 1. So we'll see what happens.
Okay, guys. This is day 2. Wait, no.
It's been a full 2 days.
Yeah, full 2 days. This is the third part. We started it, then yesterday, then now today. And I didn't really see much of a change. I just saw on red that it kind of curved in.
What do you think's making it do that?
The coloring.
Think it's the food coloring?
Yeah.
The water could do that a little bit too, make it kind of mushy, right?
Yeah, I can do that, yeah. And I have no idea what blue is doing.
Whoa.
Especially this blue right down here.
That looks really cool. What about the yellow one? What's going on with that one?
I just noticed that it sort of curved.
Oh.
Sort of like into an L shape.
Yeah, I think it's just because it's getting mushy in the water, right?
Yeah. Green, I sort of like yellow, kind of did a curve.
All right, so far it seems like the best results we have are out of blue, and then the rest you can see kind of in the middle. Those are the colors. So this was our final day. So what do you think?
Blue wins.
Blue wins, that's right. So what happens when you put food coloring in water and then put celery in the water?
It switches colors, and the darker the color, the better. I did not really see that, but if it has leaves, it's going to explode like blue.
So yeah, so kind of what we learned is that when you put celery in the water with food coloring, the celery absorbs that food coloring. Like it drinks it all up, right?
Yep.
And then the food coloring gets in there.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, and remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye!